if you're so afraid of Terminators and Cylons and other imaginary AI that you don't move forward with this technology, maybe you doom yourself in a different way by not learning the solutions. The concept was that rogue artificial intelligence was going to evolve, it was going to disobey, it was going to rebel against human beings, and that this posed an existential threat to all of us. From that concept, people started to say, we need to have industry pausing development of advanced AI. We need legislators to impose a moratorium. Maybe what we need is a licensing regime to control advanced AI. And I looked at that based on my knowledge of some academic literature on science fiction and basically the power of science fiction and other fiction to persuade. And I said, wait a minute. There's actually quite a bit of science fiction, including movies and television, about rogue AI. And we need to explore whether or not we are being influenced without realizing it by this science fiction. So my goal was to basically elevate this issue, get it out there onto the table so people could look at it. And if we are going to make public policy regarding AI, let's make sensible public policy and not act out of fear. So political scientists have tried to research people's attitudes about autonomous weapon systems, find out what influences them to support or oppose them. And I did find some literature indicating that people who have consumed more of the killer robot franchises, which would include the Terminator, but also Battlestar Galactica, and even softer franchises like Star Trek or Star Wars. The more of that you have consumed, apparently, the more likely it is that you are to oppose autonomous weapon systems. And not only that, even if you just read or watch more science fiction in general, the odds that you're going to oppose autonomous weapon systems go up. But because we're afraid, we back away, we pause or slow development of advanced AI systems, and other countries surge ahead of us, including China, which has made advancing AI a huge priority. So competitive disadvantage is one thing. But another thing is there is some hope that AI may actually help us solve the problems that we face as a species, including figuring out what to do about climate change, let's say. And if you don't know about an influence on your mind, you can't combat or restrain that influence on your mind. So it's all about, again, getting something out onto the table that people can talk about. I'm not suggesting that there are no safety concerns when it comes to AI. I'm just suggesting that we be fully informed when we address them.